Hey guys, welcome back to special vlog number 2. Today, my package has arrived. Oh yeah, let's open it. So basically, I got blue and yellow. Let's open it, Mike. This is so cool. Fidget spinner. So I think you know what this is. I think I'm gonna stop the video right now with unboxing fidget spinners. Please don't comment anything bad about this video. And of course, subscribe. Boy!